Start by launching your browser and searching for Napkin AI. You'll find their official website where you can begin your journey with AI-powered drafting. On the homepage, click on the Get Napkin for Free button. This will guide you to the next step of setting up your account. Once you're on the setup page, click on Sign In with Google. This allows you to quickly log in using your Google account for easy access. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. Click on New Napkin and then choose the option that says Draft with AI, located at the top left side of your screen. Now you'll be prompted to write anything you want in the text box. For example, you could type something like YouTube automation and hit continue. Napkin AI will begin to generate a draft based on your input. The AI will write a draft for you. You can easily edit and expand the text, as well as generate graphs or other helpful content directly in your document. If you want to start a fresh draft, simply click on New Napkin. You can also add a blank napkin here to edit or write new ideas from scratch. When you're ready to share your work, click on the link sharing option located at the top of your screen. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Napkin AI to generate and customize drafts quickly and easily.